Imagine making rupees 500 a day just by posting on Instagram Reel, without showing your face, creating original content, or having any followers. Sounds crazy, right? I'm gonna break it down step by step. Yo, I'm Ratu, and if you want to earn money from Instagram, YouTube, and online hustles, hit that subscribe button. Let's build together. So here's how it actually works. Go to Instagram and search your niche. It can be cards, motivation, quotes, or whatever you like. Filter by reels and find the ones that already have thousands or millions of views. Now look for content you can legally repost. That means either giving credits or using copyright-free videos from sites like Pexels.com or Pixabay. Download 5 to 10 reels that have gone viral. Don't just copy, give them a little twist. Next, open CapCut or Canva. Add a simple text overlay like your page name or a hook. If the video has no audio, add trending music from the Instagram library. Now post 1 to 2 reels every day. Use any specific hashtags according to your content. Don't overthink it. So here's where the money comes in. Create a link tree or a Gumroad page. Link to something useful. It can be free guide, CapCut template, or affiliate products like an editing app or an IG tool. Use a strong call to action in your caption like "Want this template? Link in bio." That's how people start clicking and start buying. So now how you actually make 500 a day. When someone clicks your link and buys or sign up, you get paid. That's called affiliate marketing. Even with 500 to 1000 views, you can get 5 to 10 clicks with the right products. That rupees 500 easy. You can even sell your own products later, like Notion templates, editing packs, or ebooks. If you are serious about earning online, start posting today. The tools I use are in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got more videos on how to grow fast and monetize smartly. See you later.